So guys, I'm going to be doing roasted indomie. Our forefathers used to make use of the firewood to cook a lot of things. So our ancestors used to do roasted indomie, and I'm going to prepare it now and show you how it works. So let's try roasted indomie recipe. So I'm going to keep it on top of the yam, roasted noodles. Uh, so you make sure you don't keep it directly on the fire. Just make sure the fire is not directly touching the indomie. So that's why I'm using yam, which I'm roasting. The indomie requires a little more time, and as you are doing it, be adding the spices. Remain small. You shouldn't last the way yam lasts because it's not like yam. So just monitor it well.